Hi guys, just wanted to go over a couple of things with you to make sure that you understood. A lot of you are struggling watching the videos that we provided that are coming from YouTube, and the biggest problem is that you're not signing into your YouTube account. If you haven't realized that, I'd like to walk you through some of the functions of that. So when you open up a new browser and you see the little tic-tac-toes up here, you can click on that and you can go to your canvas or whatever you're looking for. And what you're normally going to be looking for is your YouTube page. If you haven't signed into it already, what you're going to do is click on it. Make sure up here where it says sign in, you see if you're signed in, and if if it's not your school email account for YouTube, the video will not work. You need to sign out on that from here, and then sign in again through your YouTube account. So mine's going to automatically pop up the minute I go to a new browser. So when I sign in to my Rapid Identity, I want to make sure, here's YouTube. It's going to ask me to sign in. Here's my school ID, and I'm going to sign back in through here. This is going to allow me to get through and get to my YouTube account. So now it shows me up here is my account. So when I go to my Canvas page, let me go to my Canvas page. Now that I'm signed in, I can watch all videos that are related to anything that we're doing within this. And so when I'm watching them or want to see those videos, I can view those videos. As long as they're not streamed and as long as they're on view, this is the way we will watch them. So when you need to see these videos, if you're not signing your account, it will not let you play. I'm waiting. So, and normally would show you here, and it would have a little box there, and it will not play. So now it will play in my YouTube apps. So remember that as you're signing in, just in case if you're having problems in signing in YouTube's and watching the videos and you're stuck. I hope that helps.